Hello and welcome to this introductory course into the fascinating and exciting topic of large language models. This course has been designed for those who want to expand their natural language processing capabilities by learning how we can harness the amazing power of large language models. By the end of this course, you'll understand how these models work and how to start applying them to your own project. I'm thrilled that you've chosen to take this course with me. Let's first go over what you can expect to learn and what skills you'll leave this course with. The first section of the course will introduce the concept of large language models. We'll cover what they are, what they can do, and start to look at how they work. Section 2 of the course will do a deeper dive into the workings of an LLM as we introduce the concept of transformers. Transformers are the breakthrough architecture that has allowed the rise of LLMs in recent years. Once we understand this transformer architecture, we can start to experiment with LLMs. And in Section 3 of the course, we'll start working with GPT models. We'll also look at how we can integrate our own custom data with these models using LangChain, a powerful and exciting new framework for working with large language models. Being able to add your own data to a language model is going to give you so many options for working with them. Next, we'll move on to introducing the Hugging Face package. This is a key Python package for working with large language models. The final 2 sections of the course will put all of this together into some practical lessons, where we'll experiment with 2 other types of language models, so you'll have loads of examples to add to your portfolio. So, let's embark on this journey into large language models together. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Lauren Newbold, and I've been working as a data scientist for several years, for large organisations such as the BBC, as well as small startups using natural language processing in unique and innovative ways. I'm passionate about getting people excited about data and the opportunities it can provide us. Now that I've introduced myself and a little bit about the course, let's get started with the first lesson and look at what we mean when we talk about large language models.